So good morning everyone, welcome to Instagram Live with Zoe Loves Gardening. The experiment for this season starts here. So up until now I've been buying pelargoniums, and I'll just show you what they are. These are otherwise known as bedding geraniums, but the true name of them is pelargoniums. I've been buying them as an annual, as a bedding plant that gets put out and put into pots or borders to fill gaps, has lovely scent and great flowers throughout the summer season, and then usually at this time of the year, as they're going over, you start digging them up and putting them in the bin, so leaving spaces in the borders, but also plants are gone. So this year there is an experiment going on, and I'm doing this for clients in their greenhouses. So I've dug up the plants are dug up, plants are dug up. I've planted them in a trough in the greenhouse, and I've cut off anything that's dead, but I've left flowers and such that are on the plant at this precise moment in time. So if I just hold the camera up, I've got about 5 or 6 plants in this one particular trough, and they're just in really shallow soil, nothing added, that's it. So I'm going to leave them in the greenhouse now, and we'll see this time, probably around March, April time, so back in the spring, as to how they're getting on. In theory, we should be able to take cuttings at that time, pot them on, and then have 3 new plants for the season ahead. So let's see how we go.